Hey guys, welcome back. The car is out of the paint booth and is in my bay. I've been working away at it, doing different things. Most of it's pretty basic and relatively easy, but I'll give you a quick tour around to show you what I've got done so far. I've got the rear latch on the trunk, the license plate bracket, and the Ford V8 sign. So basically the trunk is ready to go. Wow, I just need a license plate and I need to wire up the license plate light. Haven't got the back windows in yet. The rubbers that I had were for a coupe and not a sedan, so I'd order some more. They'll be in today at some point. Quickly past here. Windshield is in. I did not film it because there's a guy who did a way better job showing how to do these. He did his on his own. It took us 3 people and a lot of swearing, but windshield is in. My windshield wiper is in as well. There is, however, an issue with the windshield wiper motor. So this is an aftermarket Vintique, I think, windshield wiper motor. Oh, come on, focus, you jerk. But as you can see, the arms for the wipers are like at a 45-degree angle. So on the Ford forum, they said just heat up and bend the arms. I don't want to do that, but if I have to, I have to. What I might do is try and change the bracket that holds the motor in here to get to the. It's got to go this way. So there's that challenge. And window glass is in. Rolls up and down. There's nothing really magic about putting these in. You have to put the fuzzies all the way around here, which basically can't remember how I got those in. I think I epoxied them, but they clip in there real nice. And there's a runner here, which screws in there, which keeps this up and down in the right spot. Nothing magic there. Again, took me a while, a lot of swearing. Alright. Wipers. Anyways, guys, thanks for watching. We'll see you on the next one.